Do you know how easy it is to get the square of any number which ends with 5? Let me tell you, this is so easy, you can do it just in seconds. In Vedic mathematics, we have the formula of Ekadikyan Purvan, which just says by 1 more than the previous one. So, what will be the square of 125, which has 5 at the end? First, divide it into two parts, where first part contains all the digits before 5 and other square of 5. Then by the rule, add 1 to the LHS part. Next, we will multiply 12 by 13 and store the result at LHS. Now, we already have a square of 5 at RHS, which is 25. Final step, concatenate LHS part with the RHS, and the number what we have is the square of 125. Let's take another example of 225. Firstly, divide it by two parts, 22 and square of 5. By the same rule, we will add 1 to the LHS part, which is 22. We will now multiply 22 by 23. Store the result at LHS. We already have square of 5 at RHS. By concatenating them, we will get the square of 225. It's your turn. Calculate the square of 345 by using the same formula. Write your answer in the comment section. Hit the like button and subscribe for more.